Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're talking about the powerful health benefits of drinking ginger water. Ginger has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various ailments, and by infusing ginger into water, we can unlock its potent properties and improve our overall health. Join me as we explore the many benefits of drinking ginger water. First and foremost, drinking ginger water can help soothe digestive issues and even nausea. Ginger contains compounds that stimulate the digestive system and can reduce inflammation in the gut. Drinking ginger water can also aid in the relief of menstrual cramps and muscle pain. Beyond its digestive and pain-relieving properties, ginger water can also help support the immune system. Ginger contains antioxidants that help fight free radicals in the body and promote healthy aging. Ginger water has also been shown to improve brain function and reduce oxidative stress. Studies have demonstrated that ginger can protect against age-related brain damage and improve cognitive performance. Additionally, drinking ginger water can also support heart health. Ginger contains compounds that help reduce inflammation and promote healthy blood flow. This can ultimately decrease the risk of heart disease and other related conditions. To make ginger water, simply boil sliced ginger in water for around 10-15 minutes, strain the water, and enjoy. You can also add lemon or honey as an optional flavor booster. However, if you're taking medication or have a medical condition, it's always best to consult with your doctor before incorporating ginger water into your diet. In conclusion, by incorporating ginger water into your daily routine, you can experience a wide range of health benefits, from soothing digestive issues to supporting heart health. Ginger water is easy to make, delicious, and a natural way to improve your overall well-being. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. And if you have any questions or experiences to share about drinking ginger water and how it's impacted your health, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and here's to embracing the power of ginger water.